Hi guys, today in this video we're going to show you how to make very simple pani puri. The pani puri you can easily find in Nepalese or Indian grocery shop, uh, which is normally a dry one, and we can fry in sunflower or canola oil. So once it reaches a really good size, we're gonna rest on top of the pepper. So pepper gonna soak all the oil, so it's not gonna be very oily. First we boil some potatoes. We got some onion here, uh, coriander, chili, salt. You got some pani puri masala you can get in the Indian or Nepalese grocery shop, and the mint and coriander. The paste is the option, so you can put it or you can just put the pani puri masala. It's up to you. First, we're gonna make the filling. We're going to mix whatever we have. So the onion, coriander, chili, salt, and then the pani puri masala, a little bit of that. And we mix them well. So it's the filling for the pani puri. So we're going to make the pani, which is the water. So we'll make the spicy water. So you get some of the pani puri masala. We're mixing in the water, some of the paste. The paste is an option, whether you can put it, it's up to you. We mix them well. Some lemon, squeeze the juice out of it. And salt. So mix them well. I'm gonna taste it whether it's good, or we need more salt or paste. Look at, it's very simple. So we're gonna crack that, the puri, and we mix. We're putting the stuff we previously made there before. You get the spicy water. The girls will die for it. They'll love it. This is the Nepalese Indians. The girls will die for it. So you're gonna dip into the spicy water. So they're gonna hold the water there, and that's it. Ooh, nice.